What is up, guys? It's Panini Box Breaks back with another blaster box break. Right now you can see we're going to be doing another 2 blaster boxes. I have 4 more on the way, as well as I do have a hobby box which I will be breaking later on. So as you've seen in the last 2 videos, I haven't had much success with the blaster boxes, but I'm hoping today I can hopefully get something that's worthwhile and kind of break this negative trend that I'm on. So let's get going with the first blaster box here and hope I can get something going here. As you can see from before, I had issues, but as I keep telling you guys, we'll get better. Let's put the box up here for now. Alright, so we got the 4 packs. Let's get at it. Alright, so to kick things off, we got a Chronicles Yoshitomo Tsutsugo. And here we got a limited Brandon McKay. Another Yoshitomo Tsutsugo, titanium. We have a green foiled certified Bo Bichette. And here we got a mosaic Zach Collins. And the unparalleled card of this pack is going to be a Pete Alonso. Pretty basic pack, nothing too fancy in there. Still can't get packs open though, so that just might be an issue for me for my life. There we go. Okay. So here we have a Logan Webb Score rookie card. Rookies and Stars, Yu Chang. Looks like a base Aaron Judge certified. We have a Fernando Tatis Jr. Crusade. Previous pack I had one of these, I had a Mike Trout Crusade, which looked pretty nice, and this looks pretty much the exact same, which I am not complaining at all. It's a nice card. Now we have a Matt Thaiss Mosaic rookie card. And the unparalleled. This one is an Aaron Judge unparalleled card. This pack's actually feeling pretty fat, so I'm going to leave that one till the end. Hopefully I'm right. Yeah, that one definitely has something going on. So we got a Score Manny Machado. A Magnitude Shohei Ohtani. Hopefully he can live up to the hype after all his injury woes, and versatile 2-way player. He could be one of the most premier players if he can do both things at once. Here we got another certified, looks like a Bo Bichette again. Yeah, Bo Bichette. Here we got a Jake Rogers. I am not too sure of this brand. Which one is this? This is a Chronicles Phoenix. Phoenix Jake Rogers. Here we got a Eloy Jimenez mosaic card. It's looking pretty clean. And the unparalleled card for this pack is a Nolan Arenado. Pretty clean. Alright. Hopefully I'm right. Hopefully there is something pretty thick in this pack because it does look pretty fat. So I'm hoping God has answered my prayers over here. And we get something nice if I can open the pack. Because I can open packs. Yes, sir. You see that thick card right there? I'm hoping that's... So we're going to take that, as we like to do, put that there for now. So we got a titanium Aristides Aquino. A green foiled titanium Dylan Cease. A Tyrone Taylor mosaic. I want to say this is the silver prism of Tyrone Taylor. And the unparalleled card for this pack is an Anthony Rizzo. Okay, here we go. So there's a thick stock. I don't know if it's an obsidian again because I was wrong the last couple times. Could be wrong, but let's have a look. So it's right underneath this card. So this is the Ronald Acuna Classics card. And let's just have a quick slide. I might be wrong. We're gonna flip this because it's this way. It's a Spectra of Alex Bregman. Let's have a look at this card when I turn her around. So this does be a relic of Alex Bregman jersey card. It's pretty classy, pretty clean. Nice piece of jersey for Alex Bregman there. I like that. I like it a lot. So Spectra Alex Bregman memorabilia card relic. That's what I've been waiting for, something along those lines there. On to the last box. I wouldn't mind one of those again. Maybe an auto would be pretty great too. So just remind those, I do have 4 more blaster boxes coming, and I do have a hobby box still to unload, so leave that back up here. So if my memory serves me, this is a thick pack too. So I'm leaving that over here. So let's get it. So speaking of the devil, we ended off with them. Let's start off with them. So we have a Chronicles Alex Bregman. A Juan Soto Magnitude card. And then we got a Nico Horner. Can't tell if that's like a gold foil. I guess it would be. Gold foil status Nico Horner. I got a green foiled Shogo Akiyama titanium. Then we got a Michael Baez mosaic Spectra. Not Spectra, sorry. Just a silver prism mosaic. Getting ahead of myself, excited of the last card still. And the unparalleled of this card is going to be an Aristides Aquino. Got a Score Anthony Rendon. We have a Timeless Treasures AJ Puck. Now we got an Aaron Judge Titanium. We're looking at another Yoshitomo Tsutsugo, but Titan card this time. Titans always look nice. Just the quality and aesthetic looks really nice. And it looks like we got a Brock Burke Texas Mosaic. And the unparalleled card of this one is going to be a Yordan Alvarez. Alright, last pack before the big boy. So we got a Luis Robert Chronicles. We have a Legacy Brandon McKay. Another Brandon McKay certified. Looks like a green foil. Could be a Bichette again. That's been a common theme for me. Yep, green foiled Bo Bichette. We got an Obsidian coming here. This looks like a pink Obsidian, which is of Javi Baez. Would that be a numbered card by any chance? Yes, it is. Out of 25. You can see that right there. 25 pink Javi Baez Obsidian. I will gladly take that. And the unparalleled of this one is a Bobby Bradley. I've had about 4 Bobby Bradley unparalleleds in the packs I've pulled lately. They love giving me the Bobbies. Alright, this is guaranteed a thick boy, so I don't know if it's an auto, another relic. Let's find out. Wish me luck, guys. So there she is, right in the middle. So what we will do is find that, place that back over here again. So we got a Nolan Arenado certified. We got a Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Crusade. I love these Crusade cards, they just look really clean. A Mike Trout Mosaic. And the parallel of this one is a Cody Bellinger. Alright, let's see what we got on this pack now, the big boy. So we have a Aristides Aquino Classics card. So I can't tell, this is upside down again. So we're gonna go reverse again. Who do we have here? It's a Spectra again. A Luis Robert Spectra. Let's see what we have on the other side of this. Is it jersey? Is it auto? I don't know. Let's find out. Just a Spectra. That's okay. I will take a Spectra any day from this man. That is a beauty card right there. I appreciate it. Luis Robert Spectra. I'll put that right there for now. So that is the packs for now, guys. Appreciate the watch. Appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe, help the channel out. Stay tuned for more box breaks because they are coming. Hopefully we do get the autos coming through because those are the beauties. Also go to Instagram, go to Panini Box Breaks, follow there for exclusive card content and up-to-date auction prices of cards. Help out that channel as well, and stay tuned for more box breaks coming. So appreciate the love. See you guys soon.